Staying compliant with ASIC is essential for your company. If an office holder, such as a director or secretary, changes their residential address, it must be reported using Form 484A2 within 28 days. Form 484A2 is a part of ASIC's compliance process. It's used to update office holders or members' names or residential addresses to keep company records accurate and to avoid fines. The above visual shows how to lodge the change online step by step through ASIC Connect. The steps mentioned are as follows. First, log into your company's ASIC Connect account. Once logged in, select Start New Form from the left-hand menu. Select Change to Company Details 484 from the list of forms. Select Change of Address from the list, then enter the details of the new address. After that, select the office holder that is being updated. Finally, review, complete, and submit the form online. It's important to act quickly. Missing the 28-day window can result in penalties of $91 or more. Need help with ASIC filings? At Company Changes, we make compliance simple and stress-free. Let us handle your lodgements so you can focus on growing your business. Please feel free to call or email us. Stay compliant. Stay ahead with Company Changes.